Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Monster Parade die set. Now, this die set includes 6 iconic silhouettes for Halloween. Frankenstein, he measures 3 inches tall. Dracula, measuring 2.5 inches tall. The Headless Horseman, measuring 3 inches tall. A witch, 1 7/8 of an inch high. A zombie, 1 3/4 of an inch high, and a werewolf measuring 2 inches long. Here to the right, you can see each of the iconic silhouettes cut out. I love silhouettes because you can do so much with them. Use them in scenes you create or simply add them to an ink blended background. The possibilities are endless. These guys would be great paired with the tree silhouette background from Whimsy Stamps and an eerie ink blended night sky. So here you can see I simply ink blended part of the card base, added my sentiments, and frank for a clean and simple card. Now, if you want more inspiration featuring the Monster Parade set, head over to the Whimsy Stamps blog and follow us on Instagram. Be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.